Greetings. In this video, we'll look at the mathematics club question paper. Provincial examination for June 2021. Alright, so we'll revise this paper. So one of the main reasons why we are revising that most of these questions, they are just similar. They usually repeat the questions. So, and if you take a look, it also happens that I'm the one who prepared this question paper. Okay, what a coincidence. So we'll start with the first question. The first question reads, it's about sets. So we had sets, we had ratios, approximation and estimation, number bases, and just some additional questions. So we'll start with sets. Given that E is equals to that, A is equals to that, and B is equals to that. So the question is about sets, obviously. So usually with this kind of question, you can tell or assume that the first set that is given is the universal set, because it usually contains all the elements that are contained in the other sets, and which seems to be the case here. So the question wants us to illustrate these information that have been given, or the sets, using a Venn diagram, or in a form of a Venn diagram. Now, so the problem with students usually is that they go straight in writing this diagram. So my advice to you, or the point every time you face such a question, you first look at how the sets are. So, and you know that every time you're trying to, once you draw the diagrams and you're trying to put in the whatever is contained in the set, you start with the intersection. So we look at these sets and see what they share in common, because one might be the subset of the other. And if you look at set A, which has 1, 2, 3, is contained, or the elements contained in set A, they are there in set B, which basically shows that set A is a subset of set E, and it's also a subset of set B, because set B contains the elements that are in set A are contained in set B. So with this information, you know how to draw your Venn diagram now. So you should have something like this. Let me just draw it quickly. You should come up with something like this. So we know that since set A is contained into all the elements, this will be your set A, set B, and set E. So once you look at the intersection, it will guide you on how you draw your Venn diagram. Then what is remaining is just for you to fill in what you've been given. So for set A, we've got 1, 2, and 3. Then for set B, we have 4, since this is already contained in set B. And for set E, you write a 5 here. So this is contained in set E, this is also contained in set E, and this is also contained in set E, which shows that everything here is there in this set. So this applies to set B. What is in set A is also contained in set B, because it covers the whole part of this. And set A is this. So if they tell you to find the intersection of all the three sets, you just shade where they all intersect, which is set A. So the intersection of set B, E, and A is simply set A. Then A complement, you just look at this A and what you have which is not in A, that's A complement. So if you have this, then you'll be awarded the 4 marks.